I wonder what Google thinks. Navigate me to the best car audio shop in the UK. Well, I can't argue with that. YouTube or Instagram TV. Today I have a Porsche Boxster 2014 GTS model. In this installation we have integrated Apple CarPlay and a reverse camera working through the original stereo. First I'm going to take you around the back of the GTS. So we're going to have a look at the exterior. So we've used a camera of a flush fit variety. So if you have a little look down here at the bottom, camera sits in there, very nice, tidy installation. As you can see, there's absolutely no modifications on the inside of the car. The reverse image will come displayed on the factory radio when you pop into reverse. Those lines are dynamic, they'll move with the steering wheel to help aid you into the parking space. Take it out of reverse and it will turn off. Right, so I'm now going to take you through the Apple CarPlay side of things. So the CarPlay works through factory button on the radio. To activate it, you hold this one down for 2 seconds. This will bring you into the CarPlay screen. When you're into the CarPlay, you can use many applications from your phone that you'll need when you're driving. To switch over to the next screen, you can use either factory buttons or use your finger. So you can go into Google Maps, you can add a destination. Nice and easy to search through Google Maps navigation because you can search by names of places rather than just being stuck with postcodes and door numbers. Also, what you can use to make it easier to make calls is you can use Siri functions. So I could say, hey Siri, call John Cleese Car Audio.
Calling John Cleese Car
And that'll put a
Audio.
call through to the
Mobile.
John Cleese. Obviously, I don't really want to speak to them, so I'm going to hang up straight away. Factory buttons on the steering wheel do work as well. We hope you've enjoyed this video of the Porsche and the retrofit of Apple CarPlay and the reverse camera that we've done today. So if there's something that you'd like integrated into your car, you can check out our YouTube channel for other videos with more coming soon. But thanks for watching.